Today we're going to show you how to execute dumbbell incline press. For this exercise, you're going to need an incline bench. You're going to want to set it to 45 degrees. Now, not all benches are going to have numbers on them, so some of them you're going to have to approximate. So after you've adjusted the top, you're going to want to adjust the bottom to its highest point. On this bench, it's the third pin. When you first sit down, you notice that your back is arched. We need to protect our lower back, so lift your legs up and press that belly button into the bench. So once you grab your dumbbells, we want a nice neutral grip. We don't want palms facing forward or palms facing each other. We want a nice 45-degree angle, bringing the dumbbell just towards our front delt on the negative. You also want to be sure, as you can see in the next clip, that you're coming in between your sternum and your chin. So you're not dropping down too low where you're going to injure your rotator cuff, and you're not too high turning this into a shoulder exercise. So that was seated incline chest press. This is a great exercise to really target into your upper chest, and it'll get a little bit into your delts. So a couple things you want to make sure of is that your bench is almost at 45 degrees and that you come in just a little bit into your armpit. And at the top, make sure you're pressing all the way up. Don't bring those dumbbells in close together. Keep them separated, the whole movement all the way up. Where you want to bring the dumbbell at the bottom is right in between here, right in between your chin and your sternum. That'll ensure a nice stretch into your pec. Alright guys, if you liked the video, hit the like button down below, leave a comment. If you have any questions or concerns, hit subscribe up here, that way you'll get notified when more videos get posted up. Alright, thanks for watching. Peace.